the 67 Vet is done and it is about to be picked up by the customer. This thing turned out so good. Just a little recap here. The turn signals here were completely glassed over. This whole thing was completely cut out and it was just completely smoothed off, and the turn signals were located into the grill. So I had to patch in this turn signal pod again, the way that it was in the factory, and those came out really good. I mean, there's really smooth transition. Can't see that anything was ever done there. All right, what do you guys think? I thought the car turned out pretty good. If you guys don't remember, I'll put a little picture or a video on the screen right now, just kind of showing you what the car looked like whenever it was first dropped off. It was brown with this very strange looking pinstripe flame down the side of it. It wasn't done really well. So I'm sure back in the day it looked fairly decent, but now it's just, I don't know. It needs taken all the way back to the day that it was made. I'm happy to be able to help with that process, and just seeing the car go back in the marina blue, that's one of my favorite colors, and just seeing the whole process take place, it was great, but it all made it worth it whenever the customer came. Customer seemed very happy, so that's all I really care about. I just want the customer to be completely happy, and I know that he's happy. He's been sitting on this car for a while, and seeing it look like this, you know, I mean, it brought a smile to his face. It brought a smile to my face. So that's what all this is for in my mind, is just restoring these cars, keeping them on the road, and not letting this skill set die of where, you know, all these beautiful classic cars are just all of a sudden gone, which I don't think that would happen. I hope it doesn't, but maybe I could make a small dent in that, and that's what this whole thing is about. All right, guys, if you have any questions or anything, or if you want to see more pictures, there's some pictures on my Facebook page. I'll link to that down in the description. Feel free to get on there and ask me any kind of questions you have, or if you want to just leave them in the comments, I'd be happy to answer them. This build's been really fun because this guy has stuff dating back to, you know, the 70s in pictures and receipts and all kinds of stuff. So this is a really, really cool, you know, project to work on, just because he's got such an extensive history of the car. So it made it so cool to be able to work on it. All right, guys, so moving forward, we're getting right back onto the 56 Chevy. I've got a little bit of a truck update coming for you, which will be, I mean, it'll be a pretty good aesthetic update for my shop truck, so stay tuned for that one. I literally have all the products sitting on the hood over here. Let me know what you thought in the comments. I'd really appreciate to hear all your guys' feedback. And thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a like. If you haven't already, make sure that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel, because there's going to be so many more projects like this coming, and I'm excited to share those with you. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.